Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Siri and welcome back to another video. And yes, you have seen the title right, which is I am going to give you online classes at just rupees 1499 and I will explain everything regarding it in this particular video. So to know more about it, I would like to request you all to watch the video right till the end in detail so that you will understand everything. Okay? So talking about online classes, yes, for 1 month it is 1499. In 1 month you will have classes every alternative day. All right, and if you calculate, you'll be having about 13 to 14 classes every single month on every alternate day, right? That is the price of the online classes. That's the price of the entire month that you have to pay, which is, it's not per class, it's for the entire month, which means for those 13 to 14 classes it is 1499. All right, okay, now talking about what will I teach in these online classes. Definitely these are not pre-recorded classes that you will get. These are the classes that you will get from me. Like, these are live classes, you will be joining in the classes and that's how the classes will take place. All right, and talking about the pattern and everything, when you attend the first class you will understand how the online classes are going to continue. And yes, everyday homeworks will be given no matter what, and I'm pretty strict when it comes to homework. No excuses will be allowed, especially when it comes to homework. And talking about the timings will be from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Because a lot of you could be working, and by the time you head back home it will be evening and sometimes night, and that's the reason the timings are from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. The class will be for about 45 minutes to 1 hour based on the topic that we are discussing that particular day, and this is the duration of the class. And to what you need to keep in mind before you message me on Telegram is, first of all, message to the ID, Telegram ID that is popping on the screen right now, only if you are truly interested. I have given you all the details in this video. So only if you are interested, then message to the Telegram ID, because your time is valued and my time is valued, and it's very important to message only if you are truly interested. And number two, if you think you can be consistent and if you think you can wait for the results to come in, then message to the Telegram ID that is popping on the screen. And the third thing, if you are disciplined, if you think that you are this dedicated person who really wants to learn how to speak in English without having to focus on a lot of grammar, then definitely these classes are for you. You're more than welcome. You must join these classes. These are absolutely fantastic for the kind of requirement you're looking for. You're clear? And the next thing I would like to tell you is, why I'm conducting alternate classes is definitely because if you are someone who's working, English is not the only thing that you're focusing in your life, right? There are so many other things as well. And for you to prepare for the homework I'm giving, it will take time. And alternate classes will give you some sort of time for preparation. And that's the reason we are having alternate classes, right? So these are the things that you have to keep in mind before you are joining these classes. So if you are interested, message to the Telegram ID that is shown on the screen. Type exactly the ID, which is SIRIRAMALAA. That's the Telegram ID you have to message to. Message to that Telegram ID. Today is Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm not sure, but we'll be starting our first batch from Monday. This coming Monday we'll start our first batch. So I'm super duper excited to see all of you there. And these are not individual classes, by the way. These are group classes. There are going to be people in the group. These are like a class and I'll be teaching there. So these are all group classes. These are not individual classes. So I'm super duper excited to see you guys there. So I have a limit that I cannot take more than 50 people because it gets too clumsy there. And what I'm trying to tell you is, if you are really looking forward to take classes, then join as soon as you can, because once the batch starts, you have to wait for 1 month again for me to start the next batch. So if you're really interested, just message to the Telegram ID and we just start our classes as soon as possible. So yeah, and this is what I wanted to explain about the online classes, and I hope you are clear, and every detail will be mentioned in the description box. Please read that, please check that out. If you have any other doubts, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to clarify them. But yeah, this is it. This is what I wanted to talk about in this particular video, and I can't wait to see you all there. So yeah, come, let's learn and let's grow together. I promise these classes are going to be definitely worth it. I'll try not my 100% but 200% to help you guys in the best way possible. So yeah, I'm super duper excited to see you guys there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, I'll see you in my online classes. So till then, you please take care. I will see you soon. Bye.